Sargent.
It's another huge all-New Zealand clash to set Week 7 alight in Super Rugby 2020 with the Chiefs back on Waikato Stadium after a big win in Australia against a Hurricane side stung last week by a loss on their home turf. Coles. And Blackwell again obliges Kirifi with the pass. Fletcher Smith, nice ball in field. Perenara away to Laumape. Ball picked up on the bounce by Barrett. And Lam is in for the opening try. Beautifully worked by the Hurricanes. They strike first in Hamilton.
Yeah, beautiful line by Perenara. They set it up nicely. Laumape knew he just needed to get to the outside. Good straighten by Jordie Barrett just to hold the defenders a little bit to give this guy another try in the Hurricanes colours.
Inside the 22 for the Chiefs and a penalty.
You started and came back to your feet.
And McKenzie sends it between the posts.
Use that.
See, it was Boschia losing his footing, but here's Suakula caught just a metre short of the line. Great chance here for the Chiefs now. Mitchell Brown over the ball, moves it one wide of the ruck. They're close. They're very close. They're not over, though.
Yep, I've got the ball on the line.
Oh, he's got it on the line. It could well be a try.
Ball's on the line.
Oh, Ellie.
See initially there, looks like he's short, but has he been, has he slid over?
No issue with the grounding, award the try.
It's Lachlan Boschia. So the Hurricanes building now, trying to reclaim the lead. Smith has a go and he's through. Well, he's got big shoes to fill at the Hurricanes. Has Fletcher Smith. But what a try that is for him, and it puts his team back in front.
But just a disconnect, the one-on-one, Aidan Ross just hasn't got enough pace, and Fletcher Smith sees the mismatch on the outside, a lovely fend, and a good hit back for the Hurricanes.
15.
Hurricanes coming in, trying to slow it down at least. They go to the short side. McKenzie pops the pass away. Alemalu can't pick it up. And Coles dives it over the touchline. And that's the end of the first half. And the Hurricanes hang on to lead by 14-10. Oh, great contesting by the Chiefs. They get another line-out steal. Suakula goes hard at Laumape. Cruden wanted it quickly. And bit of a dummy. Oh, slips a lovely ball away. Tamua Manu gets past Barrett, gets past Perenara, and puts the Chiefs in front.
And this one stings, and the strength of Cruden wasn't even looking, just his peripherals was so good, but the awareness of this guy here, Tamua Manu, to stay in that nice supporting line and right there, pump the chest. There you go, son.
Well, he's annoyed with himself, but he sees, and look at that too, no malice whatsoever. Patience the key now. They keep probing away. Taukei'aho, tackle made by Vince Arsaw, quick duck, snapped up by Weber. McKenzie gets it away, and Stevenson is in for the try.
Well, they take immediate toll of that numerical advantage, and from there, Sean Stevenson just slices through the shooter's back.
Right out in front for Jordie Barrett, and right down the middle it goes. They go to Blackwell, and Olmua has it in the back, driving towards the line and over. Asafo Olmua scores. Chance for the Hurricanes to square it up. Plenty riding on this one. No mistake. 34 phases now, and they're still on the 10-metre mark. There's Fafita again. Cruden with the tackle. Now Pettinato. They're all offside. It's an advantage to the Hurricanes.
It was a late tackle.
Was it a late shot, was it? Well, they're going to get the penalty and a chance to win the game.
Number 18.
Jordie Barrett to win the game. It's over. Jordie Barrett with the penalty, and the Hurricanes take it at the death, 27-24.